So if you've ever bought raspberry plants or you want to, these things, so just so you know, were probably dug like 2 or 3 months ago and they just shipped them to me. So this is a new person that I tried. So let's see what they look like. So you can see they're big, healthy plants, but look at the roots are all dried. So what I'm going to do, and I recommend this with everything, is that you take and you soak them in water 3 to 4 hours, whether they're raspberries, whether you're buying fruit trees or whatever. You'll always soak the roots so that they plump back up for you before you plant. And then I'm going to show you a little trick. When you get ready to plant, you don't want to plant the whole thing. So what you want to do is you want to clean up these roots. And the reason is wherever you make a new cut, that's exactly where they'll break and you'll have the roots, okay? Otherwise, they're trying to take all that energy out to the end there. The same thing here. I'm not going to leave this much on there. I'm going to put it like this. You see how far I cut off, okay? I'm going to plant it to here. So I'm only going to have about 2 inches left when I get through. The reason is I want everything to break from the bottom. I don't want it breaking high on the stem. But the major thing is you've got to soak your roots. No matter what, raspberries, strawberries, any kind of berry, you should soak the roots. Any type of fruit tree, you should soak the roots, because they are dug and put in storage and it dries out the roots. You're trying to pump them all back up. OMGs, water really works well.